Here's my new Crossbody purse. The brand sent me this so I could try it out. It did come in this nice sealed bag, and I'm just checking it out now. I really love how it feels, and these zippers look really sharp. And look at that inside. I'm gonna start putting my things in so you can see what it looks like. Okay, time to start transferring things over from my old purse to my new purse. I just noticed this double zipper back here. This is just an open space. This second zipper is another zipped area. Wow, that's really cool. So you could still drop things in here. It's not zipped, but it is extra space. And then here is where I'm going to put the cash. Again, another very spacious pocket. Transferring my absolutely smashed snacks into this middle part here. I can also put my gum in here. No, I'm gonna put my gum in the main section. Put my glasses in with the smashed snacks. Put this hair tie in the main. There's other pockets over here that aren't zipped. They're just more pockets. I love all these pockets. It'll be so great to be able to separate things and be organized. Okay, here's where I ended up. Got my credit cards in here, this back zipped pocket. Here's the snack area and also my toothbrush and some floss and some like little mints. I want that because I just like to go grab. Cash is protected in here. I have so much room in this main section. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this room, so that's excellent. Got my gum, glasses, hair tie. In here I have some like makeup, chapstick type things, and then in here I have a nail file, hand sanitizer. Then back here, I didn't even put anything in there. So again, more space if I need it. I've got a little note thing and a pen in here. Then in the front pocket, I just put a lighter, which I've never used in years. Some feminine products, little like ibuprofen. Then there's still another pocket back here. Amazing. Okay, I've got everything in the new purse, and I've actually been using it for about a week now. I absolutely love it. This is how I like to wear it, crossbody. So it's right, in front, secure. Nobody can really yank it off me unless they get it over my head. I can be hands-free. Love it. But if you prefer to wear it over your shoulder, this strap is adjustable, so you can do whatever you need to do to comfortably wear it on your shoulder like this. I like the material. It's like soft and squishy, but also pretty easy to wipe down. The zipper pockets, my goodness, I just can't believe how much space we have here to keep things separated, which I love. And the interiors of the zippers are all really nice too. Everything's high quality. The zippers all work well, which my goodness, if you've had a sticky zipper, you know that's a pain. So all of these work really smoothly. I love the size. It's big enough to be more than spacious. I could put so much more in here. But it's also like squishy, so you could smash it down to fit into smaller spots if you need to. Here's more pockets over here, both sides. And then there's a little hook if you want to hang something. Yeah, I really love it. I'd really recommend it if you're looking for a good RFID blocking purse. I've had my purse scanned before and credit card info stolen. I think it was in like a really public spot. So it's really important to me now to have that protection, and you don't have to sacrifice anything to get that. So, yep, really like it.